Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my tutorial. Just give me seconds, I will prepare everything. I have here a lot of the work. Okay, and where is my Revit? My Revit, here's my Revit. It's sometimes really hard when you have large screen and for example I want to record my video, and what I'm doing the my Revit like this, because if I will record whole my screen, you not will see anything in YouTube, so this is terrible. So can you hear me? Just let me know, maybe I'm talking with only myself. Hi everyone. So yeah, thank you for привет. Okay, yeah, I think this is going on the way. So what we will talk about today, I think we will talk the same topic like I did in previous time. We will talk mostly about Dynamo, because in the previous tutorial I will started Dynamo out nothing. Please tell us why out of the nothing wallpaper. Okay, I will tell you the topic today, and after that why is out of nothing. I will try to explain you how you can manipulate again with Dynamo. We will use the lunchbox. Yesterday I get nice call from the one girl from the Israel. She trying to make the one of the famous tower in Revit by Dynamo. I think I will show you what she's trying to do, and I will tell you more about the paneling, how you can use adaptive families, the ways when you can use Dynamo, when you can use the vanilla Revit. So we will talk mostly about that two topics today. Why it's out of the nothing? Because we trying to create from the nothing, we're trying to create something. So that's why I'm trying to escape from the out, from the nothing. As you know, like an architect, we starting from the just clean paper, and after that we creating the building only from the our knowledge. That's it. That's why it's out of the nothing. So I think we are ready to start. Just give me a second, I will answer on the some message, because I get this a lot of the message from my main work. Maybe I will open the right now my template till it's opening. Just a few seconds. Oh, here are some messages. Let me, I'll show you. Please refrain. Oh, I did it. Yeah, Andrei, the Andrei Lebrov did that thing, and that's why I downloaded from his wallpaper. I really like what he's doing. Like maybe in previous tutorial, maybe like months ago, I already showed his channel, because he doing really amazing thing. He not an architect, he just CG artist, and he doing really incredible things. I really like it, and he was explaining why it's out of the nothing. I really like this topic, why it's like that. And that's why. Just give me a second, guys. Sorry, I didn't prepare my work. I need answer on the to my client, because the client so worried about the BIM 360. Just give me a second. Where is that? So this is really terrible. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, his work really, I really like his work. It's he doing something incredible, I think. Okay, so I'm ready. Let's start. Here's my project, but we don't need project right now. Project it's like a final stage. We need the messing form. Let's go to the file, new. I think you know this all these things. I don't need to explain you. Conceptual mess, and I will use the conceptual mess, that one. Okay, let's go. So here we are. Straight away I will go to the Dynamo. Doesn't matter which one Dynamo type of you are using, just only one thing what you will need for this tutorial: Launchbox. Launchbox, you can download it. It's I don't know, it and internet. I know, guys, sometimes you have some problem, you need like explaining where you can download it, and I'll show you. Just right here, Launchbox Revit. That's it, only 3 words. And you will get the first link, go there, and you will get here the Launchbox. Just click on this Launchbox for Grasshopper and Dynamo. There are only one installer, and you will install some few Dynamo things, which we will use today. So maybe you will find it really useful. Okay, here is my Dynamo. Let me open up it. We will start from my lovely point by coordinate. Oh yeah, sure, yeah, of course I can link it. Sorry, I didn't think it. Why I didn't send you link? Give me a second. Just a few seconds. The Launchbox, and here's the link. Catch up. Okay. You will get just this add-ins, as you can see, and here's the like few things which you can use in Dynamo. You will find it useful, just believe me. Straight away I will create points by coordinate. Yeah, you will find this really you already tired from that. I know you wanna do something incredible, but some amazing things starting from some simple things. Even if you will just have a look on my wallpaper, they are nothing, just some small of the piece geometry, that's it, but it's look amazing. Okay, here we have like 1, 2, 3 points, but you cannot see properly 3 points. You can see only the 1 point, because actually all the 3 points exactly on the same position. For that one, double click, you will use the Z position. Z positions will be 20 Z position. For that one we get point here, and we need of, let's say, maybe 30 will be here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 points. That's it for now. And we will continue now with the cycles. We need cycles and point. As you can see, point radius. Guys, is it okay? Because my window is opened, and I think you can hear everything what's going on outside from my house. If it's not, I will close the window, because I know sometimes the people saying like they can hear the outside, not me. Okay, here we have the center point. As you can see, center point and radius. This is perfect for us, and we will start from the basement. Let's connect point to the center point. We get our cycle, and now we need connect to the radius. And let's say here will be our radius. The radius will be 10. Why not? It will be 10. Let's connect to the 10, and here's our radius. The same thing we will continue on the other side. I will just copy that part, and I will connect to the points, and we get this one side. And again I will copy it, and I will connect to this side. We get three same cycles and three same position, but I wanna make a bit different side. Yes, you can do manually. You can say here is 10, so after that here it will be like maybe 8, and here it will be 2. Why not? I say 2. Okay, and we get something like that. Or maybe you can say here it will be 4, not just like that. And we get like this shape. It's not actually a shape for now, but later on it will be the shape. So, and after that we need the list. Why need the list? You know, I think already, because in the previous tutorial, in previous streaming, I already talking about that. Because if you will leave it independently, okay, I will show you one more time. Loft. We need the loft after that, and as you can see, here only the one connection. If you will connect just cycle like that, you not will get result. But if you will create the list from the one cycle and the second cycle, it will be like one list of the cycles. Inside we have 2 cycles, but for the Dynamo we have like a 1. If we will connect to the cross section, we will get this result. But if we will connect one more cycle here, we will get the NURBS form. As you can see, here is the NURBS form. So this is what I want actually. We have a lot of different lofts. If you will go to the loft, you will see how we can create any surfaces. Here different way. I'm just using for now by loft. You have the by patch if you want. For example, if I will do by patch, I will unswitch it. I will connect to this one, and you can see we get the close patch. That's it. You can connect here, you will get it. You can connect even the list, and you will get 3 different patches. So this is also the variable for you. So, and we have the other type of the lofts. We can create by points actually. So we have like 3 points, as you can see. You should create the one more list. Sorry, Control Z, Control S, Control V, and I need connect, for example, points. 1 point, second point, and 1 more point, and this points to the point. You cannot create anything because you actually you can get only the edge. You will get only one edge. Can I try something? I have the zoom. I wanna try the zoom, but I not will do anything. How to do that? I wanna draw on my screen actually. Oh my gosh, because I know in the zoom we can draw on the screen. When I draw on the screen, it's better to understand. Maybe next time I will install some plugins and I will try to draw on my screen, because sometimes it's hard to understand. Okay, here we'll get one line, and that's why we cannot create any surfaces. So I think you understand that thing. Okay, so we will use only the one surface, this one, and let's connect it. What's going on? Surface by loft. Okay, everything alright. We get this kind of shape. I'm not talking about the sliders. I know, guys, you wanna use the sliders later on. Later on we will use, and we will create the formula for this part. We will simplify, making it more simple than you can see right now. No worries. Okay, we get this surface. What the next? And next, what we're gonna do, we should create something interesting thing. It's called the lunchbox. We need the panel diamond. Panel, L, I forgot, diamond. And as you can see, here is the new script from the, it's actually not new script, this is pretty old script, but this script coming from the lunchbox. Let's connect surface to the surface. You cannot see anything, and here we have U and V. I think you know what does it mean, U and V, UV-W map. So actually Revit and any digital program trying to create own map for your shape, for your surfaces, for your geometry, and this surface is calling this map calling UV-W map. So we have U direction and we have V direction. That's why it's UV-W map. And for example, it's like how many panels you want to create. 10 by 20, you know that? Yeah, I think you know. So I will show you. 10 by 20, let's say. So this X direction, let's say, this is Y direction. It will take time now, because it's calculating. And as you can see, 10 directions and 20 directions around. We get the points. So it's working like that. What we can do with these points? Let me, I will save, because sometimes it's not so stable, and I don't wanna do. It's new tutorial. It should be new tutorial. Let me. I will. Okay, I will leave it on my home screen, and I will say this will be diamond. Okay, so we get the points. So, and what we can do with these points? We can do anything. Here the quad points, as you can see. Here the quad panels. Let's use the quad points. Let's say I want to create sphere. Here is the sphere, and as you can see, sphere by point and radius. We have the point, but we need only the radius. Let's create the. I will hide this surface. As you can see, we get our shape. You cannot see it because my loft was off. Let me, I will off this one too. And now we can see my sphere here, right? So let me, I will use the radius. Let's say the radius will be 20, maybe 10, I don't know. Oh, not here, here. 10 will be enough. Okay, no, even 10 it's too much. Let me do 2. Yeah, 2. As you can see, I need the smooth mode. Now it's false. I need boolean operation, bool, true, and let's connect to the smooth. And now it will be smooth. Nice. We get our point, as you can see, and now it's magic. Let's connect the center point. As you can see, here's the center point. Quad points to the center point. It takes time. It still takes time. Yeah, it will take the time a lot. But anyway, you will see what we will get. I think it's not will collapsed. Sometimes it's collapsed. Okay, what I will say, what the Dynamo trying to do. He will place this this sphere exactly on the points what we get on the previous script here. Just let's wait. If after 2 minutes it's not, it still will be thinking. I will reload everything because we saved. We already have the saving, and after that I will back and we will try one more time. But maybe I will disincrease the number of the points. This is also the yeah. I think it's not okay. It's not okay. I know. It's not okay. Actually, I'm not kidding. Sometimes when you're waiting like 10 minutes, the Dynamo it's clearly doing their job. But sometimes you're waiting like still 30 minutes, but nothing else. And we don't know the Dynamo now it's stacking or no. So this is the problem with Dynamo. Hello, baby. Okay, so I will close the Dynamo because as you can see, it's stacking. Anyway, I will close it and we will open it one more time. So I think it's not a big problem. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay, so done. Bye-bye. Bye Dynamo, you did everything great, but not great enough. So let me, I will open Revit again. So, and be safe, be safe. See the link, very useful. No, we don't need to use the grasshopper. This actually Lunchbox working on the grasshopper and it's working on Dynamo too. Actually, they have the same. They have the same core, and that's why you can see for Grasshopper and Dynamo, because they have the same core. That's it. My PyRevit it's opening. Just give me a second. It's still opening. So done. So I'll continue. Yeah, it sometimes happens. It's not a big problem actually. It's a bit noisy. I think when you're working in Dynamo, you know this thing. Anyway. Yeah, I will reduce number of the points because I'm thinking like maybe Dynamo will do it, but as you can see, Dynamo cannot do that clearly. So I will open Dynamo. I already saved everything, so no worries, guys. We will start from the scratch. I'm thinking about that. I know that Dynamo sometimes crashing, and if you want, for example, you creating your own. Oh, not that one. If you're creating your own scripts, think about it, about Dynamo, because Dynamo can be collapsed. Yeah, it's really important for you guys. Don't try, yeah, I think it's too much, because even it's right now it's calculating a really long time. Just give me a second. I will reduce. Maybe I will make like 5 by 5. It will be like 25 panels, not much. Yeah, as you can see, 5 by 5. Maybe here I will. Okay, 5 by 5. It's okay. I will use the watch. I need the watch. Let's connect the watch to this one, and I will see. Yeah, 32. It's pretty enough. And now I can use the radius. Where's my sphere? Where's my sphere? Sphere by 4 points for the best fit. No, I need just by no, I use the different sphere. It's more simple one, just by center point. Let's, oh no, not that one. Sphere, sphere by center point, by point, yeah, but this one. It's more simple one that we try to make it, but anyway, this also not bad. And I will change my working type to the manual one, because I wanna control it manually. Let me, I will unpreview that one, and I will totally collapsed. And let me connect quad points to the center points. Let's run it. Yeah, working. We so good. Open one more Revit. Yeah, open one more Revit to make it backups. Yeah, guys, this is Emil. Thank you. This is really working. If you have, for example, your own project, open in one Revit. If you wanna try your Dynamo script, open another Revit, and you will in safe like distance, let's say. Waiting here. Hello to the Vietnam, and as you can see, we get the points. So this is pretty awesome for us, because we can also control the radius. I will control the radius. Let's say the radius will be 1, and you will see nothing changed, because actually by default our radius is also the 1. But we can make like this: 0.1 double dot. You remember this thing? To the 1 double dot hashtag, and let's say the 10. Done. You cannot see anything. This is happened because we should run it, because now it's manually. And as you can see, we get different sizes of the point of this. Let's say the sphere. You cannot use the sphere. You can use the quads if you want. If you can use the cubes, why not? So anything what you want. And for example, I will show you my panels again. I will preview it. And as you can see, it's our sphere exactly on these points. Awesome, right? So we can do one more thing. I will show you how working the professional. I'm not professional, okay, guys? I just trying to share with you my knowledge. I will hide all the cycles. I don't wanna see it. Just run it again. Okay. Give it faster. Okay. And I will unhide this one, and you can see all my sphere, and I will unpreview my sphere. Now I can see only my points. Yeah, I can see only the points. So what we're gonna do next line. Let's use the line, start and end point. As you can see here, we have the lines. We can create the line between these points. Line. Where is the line? Line direction. We need to just create the line by start end point. Yeah, I think the start end point. We have like lists. It's not will be worked. I wanna create like truss system. So it's really hard. But I will think. I need the cycle. I need just maybe I need to use the cone. Yeah, I can use the tube actually, not the cone. I can use the tube. Solid. Give me a second. Cylinder. Yeah, we can use the cylinder from the point and radius. Yes, this is what I want. The start end point again. Start end point. It's not blur. Sorry, maybe this resolution, I don't know. Need to check it. I think check your screen, please, because I think that one. Yeah, we cannot do like that. How we can sort start and end point? Let me think. If we can sort our start and end point, we can connect and create the truss system. So I wanna create today truss system by these lines, as you can see. Maybe we can use the line. Yeah, maybe we can use the line and create them. Maybe this is internet, so when it's internet connection not so good, of course the YouTube will reduce the resolution. Give me a second. Curves, cycle, by point, point and panel, by point and radius, center point. If it's center point, no, I wanna make exactly on the radius. Give me a second. It will be blurry on mobile. F-pad to check your internet connection. Okay, guys, thank you for you helping our friend. Just yeah, because if I will concentrate on that. Maybe with polycurve, why not? We can use the polycurve too. We can use the polycurve too. Yeah, let's use it. Oh, it's not like I want actually. As you can see, everything now exactly on the start point, from the start point, but it's also reasonable. You can do the kind of the shape. Yeah, why not? As you can see. What we can do else with that? Let me, I will think, because this is really interesting. The thing, polycurve. Let me, I'll go to the polycurve. Here we have the different one. Actually, we can join by points. Let me, I will join by points. And we get this position. Okay, so this is nice. This is now what I want actually. But actually, as you can see, not exactly connecting everything. It's connecting only something. Anyway, the sum of the points connecting perfectly. For example, this one not connected. Anyway, start over again. You did it in. Okay, so we get the polycurve, and now we can make the, for example, the cylinder by cycle. We need the vector, radius, and normal. Yeah, we need normal. We need to get the vector, normal by coordinates, normal by line. Actually, we need. We need normal by line. Let me, I will find the line. Here, direction. No, it's not working like that. Oh, it's making our trouble. It's making the troubles actually. We need to get the vector. Let me, I will find the vector. Which type of the vector we can find? No, it's not like that. We need the vector by the line actually. Okay, you can help me right now, because if I will vector, do we get no by points? No, we need a vector by line actually. Vector bar coordinates. No, I don't want that. I need just by line. Vector. Let me, I will go to the vector and let's see which vector we have. Oh, because we need by line. If I not will get by line, I not will get exactly what I need. Can you list all points and connect like you did before? I don't need to list all the points, because already it's, as you can see, it's already on the list, inside on the list, but it's already connected, as you can see, by this one. But for example, we need the start and end point. This is really important for us. So as the point. Oh yeah, as the point. So actually not, because we need the vector. Oh, it's really by 2 points. Yeah, by 2 points, of course, we can get the vector. But my gosh, how we can buy 2 points if I have only the 1 point? I need to somehow to sort these points. Yeah, I need somehow to sort these points, and after that only I can get what I want. Anyway, as you can see, give me a second. Polycurve, the center point. Maybe we need to use the only line. I'll use the line. I want to create geometry from the line. Maybe we can use it for the loft actually, or we can make it more tricky. I will find one more. I will find the tube. Yes, and let's go to the cylinder, and no, so we cannot create cylinder by the line. Cylinder. No, we cannot create by cylinder by the line. By radius and height. Coordinate system. We should find here the coordinate system. Blah blah blah. So here is it's becoming too hard. I just wanna making something for fun, but now becoming to an idea like it's not so simple as I think before. No, we don't have by points. Actually, this is much better. This is much better. Yeah. Oh, I like it more. And now I want to create something from the line. Loft. Give me a second. Line, tube, con, line vector. Sometimes it's hard to find something. Okay, I didn't find it anything. Okay, anyway, I just was immediately idea, like thinking like how we can connect our points. So anyway, you know, you can create your points, but even if you have like your sphere here, just unswitch it, run. Yeah, it will take time again. Just get idea how you can connect your geometry. So if you will find this way, just you can share with me. I will share with our public, and we will create something really interesting. Because if we will create something like a tube here, it will be really amazing. So think about it, guys, and I think this will be pretty awesome for us. Let me think like about the points. As you can see here, the points 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. 4 points. This is around, I think. Yeah, this is going around. Why it's 4 points? Because here the 5. 4 everywhere 5. I not understand why it's the 4 points. I will reduce it to the 4. It will take time. 32. Oh, run. And now everywhere still 4. This is for we can make the 6. Here we can make the 2. Run. It's not working because we needed 3 minimal or 4 minimal. Yeah. And now it's still 4. Yeah, it's going around, I think. I need to understand how it's list sorting. If I will understand how the list sorting, we can create geometry for that one. Anyway, with this geometry, it looks not bad. So I will show you. Preview. We can close our line, and as you can see, here's our geometry. Even going like that, it's pretty nice actually. I trying to match. Oh yeah, here's the collapsed. As you can see, sometimes, yes, guys, be careful. Sometimes Dynamo have the problem with the points, and you will get something like that, as you can see on this point, because now we have the really chaotic points, and Dynamo cannot exactly understand how to create it. So, for example, to not get this kind of problem, you should increase the numbers. For example, here you should make at least like a 10. I know this will take a lot of the resources, but it will help to you not get that problem. As you can see, now we don't have this problem. Maybe because it says quad points and quad panels. Yeah, because yeah, you're right, because the 4 panels and 4 yeah, you're right, because of that. And as you can see, some of the it's not enough, as you can see. Okay. Here I should make the 20 at least. Maybe 21, 9. Who knows? Yeah, you're right, because we need the 4 points, and that's why the quad points making the 4 points. You're right. Okay, if it's making the 4 points, we can make quad panel. We can make the quad panel, right? So this is nice idea. So I will make the quad panel if you want. Not bad. Actually, in Lunchbox you will find a lot of different things like panel quad. I will show you. Panel diamond. I will go to the panel, and as you can see, we have different like diamond, hexagon, quad random, like triangle. Oh, the triangle really nice. And we get also some different points, numbers to the point to the string, so everything what you want. For example, if I will go to the panels, and we can use the, for example, quad panels. Now we should use only the surface. I will unhide this one, and I hide this one. And we can connect surface to the surface. Again, we need to connect this one to the UVW map. I will run it, and you will get something like that. As you can see, here is the panels. So this is really simple. As you can see, here is our surface. Here's our points. You again can create anything what you want by the points. You can even the panels. Panel. Oh, I need the instance panel. Panel. Give me a second. I need just instance panel, and we can create it actually. Okay, where is that? I cannot find it actually. Where is the instance panel? Okay, anyway, we can create our panel here, as you can see. Let's connect it. Panels to that one. And here we get the surfaces for each panel, so like independently. Sometimes it's also the collapsing, but here it's everything correct, as you can see. So everywhere everything correct. And as I said before, you can go to back to the change your maybe like 20. It was the 20. You want to make the 15. Once you will change it, run it, and it's immediately will change. Maybe you will make it even smaller, like it will be 15. Here it will be 8. Maybe here will be 3. The radius, I mean. And as you can see, you will get this one. You can increase your number of the panels. I will unconnect this one, because if we calculating that one, it will take time. And I will unconnect that one too. I will say that here will be 20. Run it. And here is the 20 panels, and here will be 10. Run it. And here is your geometry. Here we have a lot of different ways. You can use the hexagon if you want, for example. But here you should use also the double, as you can see. I will show you 10, 20, this one, and the surface. And everything coming from the only one surface, as you can see. So we're not creating any I don't know, 10. Run it. It will take time right now. No. Again, too much. No, it's not too much. It's working, but as you can see, it's collapsing. No, it's not collapsing actually. It's working, but not perfectly as I want. I will do only 2. It will be alright. It was too much. Just give me time to calculate it, and we will get some result. I hope so. I hope it will be work, because when I said this 10, it was working. When I'm saying it's 2, it also should be work. If it's not, okay guys, I will reload it, no worries. Save it, yeah, yes. No, you right saying before, like save fly, you know. And this is the problem again. Dynamo, it's always like that. It doesn't matter creating your geometry, calculating you some numbers like data, it can be collapsed onto some simple thing. Give me like 2 minutes. If it's not will work, I will reload it again. So it's really funny, guys. I'm sorry for that. It's really funny. Anyway, I hope it will work. Just give me a second. So if you will say me right now, Nico, reload it, I will reload it. Tell me about that. Do you wanna like I'm reloading that thing or no? I just waiting your comment. Yeah. Okay, I will reload it. Done. My gosh. Let's close this program. Close. Okay, I'm opening it again. Again and again. It's opening. I'm here, no worries guys, I'm here. It's loading, still loading, it's still loading. Okay, it's underway. Oh yeah, Revit is here. Okay, I will open up again, and what we're gonna do now I will try to make the panels finally. One more Revit, yes. I'll create new. I need conceptual mesh, metric mesh, open up. Yes, it's really noisy. Okay, so what we're gonna do? I will open again my Revit, my Dynamo, and I will change only one thing right now. Open up Dynamo, please. We want action. Okay, here is our Dynamo, diamond. I will open up it. We just a bit back in our script, but anyway, you already see how you can use the lunchbox. And now I will show you another thing. We have here the quad panels, but actually I don't like this one. I will change 10 by 20. 10 by 20. And we should change the automatic to the run. To the manual one. Okay, we get it. So what we're gonna do next? I will create the new family. I will create the new family. And this family will be adaptive point. Family with the adaptive point. Where is that? Metric generic adaptive point, that one. Actually, this is pretty simple family. I will go to the reference level. Reference points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go back to the 3D. I will select all these points. Adaptive 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything correct. Reference line, 3D snapping, and connect from the 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4 and to the 1. Okay, awesome. Create the one point here. Select this point. I want to see always this points, I mean the reference line of this point. and after that select this set working plane, reference, cycle, and create the cycle. Okay, let me, this cycle will be like maybe 10, not 20, 50. 10, 50. No, it will be 5. Let me think. 5, not. It will be 1. It's okay. I will select this one, and I'll select this line, and I'll create geometry. Now I will select on this point, and this one actually I will create like a number of the parameter. I will create the new parameter for that one, and this will be radius. And will be reduce the instance. Okay, so maybe we will change it later on. I did the radius. Let me load this family inside to our main family, and I will go back to the Dynamo. Where is my Dynamo? Now we need the family type. Here is the family type, and we need to use our family type. Here is our family type. So the next thing what we need, the adaptive lunchbox adaptive component. Oh no, this not one, this one. Adaptive. Okay, which one we need? Adaptive component by parameters and curve. Here is the parameter, here the family type. Okay, family type to the family type. Curve. Actually, we don't need curve, we need the point. On the face, here's the, actually we can use this face. No, we don't need that. By points, yeah, we need this one. Family type and points. Let's connect it and let's run it. It will take time. Okay, done. Let me go here, and we get this small thing. Okay, I will do it bigger one because this is really a small one. I will make it huge. I'll go back, and before I will do something, I will unpreview that one, and I want to preview only that one, and we get the shape. Between two of them, I want to use the scale. Let me use the scale. We need the scale only with, not that one. We need only scale with the amount, only that one. I will connect this one to the 100. Let me try it first. Yes, it's working. Let's connect to the cross section. Connect it. Now everything recalculating. Just don't collapse it, please, Revit. I think you can do that. Just make it 100 bigger than it was before. I think it's really easiest thing what you can do. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, God. You can hear me. Nice, done. As you can see, we get our shape. But here you should be careful. As you can see, it's collapsing sometimes. As you can see, you should be careful with that. We can solve it somewhere, but somewhere not. And everything alright. Yeah. I will make the offset. The offset. This one radius. Like not like an instance. I will create like one more parameter, radius. You can create it in Dynamo if you want, or you can make it in Revit. I will use the by Revit if you want. I think this is better one for us for now. I will go to the creation, and here the radius, and I will say 10. Apply. And as you can see, here is the 10. Actually, I need to select all of them inside the project, and I will say the radius, use this parameter radius. And as you can see, here is our wireframe. So that one I'm trying to show you. No, it's not because the adaptive component. Everything alright. Just be careful when you creating it. As you can see, everything alright. It's not going like strange thing. And you know the nice thing of this way, you can go back always to the Dynamo. Always to the Dynamo. Dynamo, where's you? Dynamo, come back. Oh, it's here. And you can change anything what you want. For example, let me show you. For example, you can change the top height. You can say this will be 50. Run it. It's recalculate. And after that, just open Revit. Just hide your Dynamo, and you will see changes inside of the Revit. You remember in previous tutorial, I'm talking mostly about the points. And you was shocked when you're thinking like how many points you need to create for some hard shape. Actually, no need. As you can see, you can get the result with the Revit and with Dynamo in one time. And here's your result. For example, right now I can change my panel. I can go back to my panel. I can select, for example, let me, I will do like that, wireframe mode. I will select all of that, and I will create Dynamo, go back, and I create just some shape like that, as you can see. And for example, this shape will be have the glass. Let me, I will find the glass. No need any pattern. Use the render appearance and the color. Okay, I will go do some color for that one. Okay, and the color will be like that one, maybe that one. Okay, okay. And now you just can load it back inside to the project and just replace it, override, and the panels will change maybe in one day. Missing environment, nice. So now you can just choose your panel, go to the inside to the edit type, and you can, oh, we need to transfer our material, so this is my mistake. Where's my material? Glass. I wanna transfer my material like a type 1 to my project, override. Now I can go to the edit type and change material here. As you can see, the glass, I can go inside. As you can see, here is different pattern. Let me, I will change the pattern, and I will use that one color. And as you can see, here is our panel. You not spend a lot of the time, but sometimes you have the problem here, because here we don't have the panel. Yeah, this is problem with Dynamo. You should be careful with that. Here you should place it manually. This is adaptive point, you can do it manually. You can go to the component and you can place it manually, like I'm doing right now. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and by this way you can combine your Dynamo work and manual work. Yes, I place it manually, but it's exactly on the same position. As you can see, you cannot see differences. And you can place it 1, 2, 3, else, and you will finish it. This is pretty awesome thing, isn't? But what about that thing? Yeah, this is a problem. You cannot do anything with that because the Revit cannot split it. Because you have only 3 points, but Dynamo need only 4 points here. So guys, did you find this tutorial useful for you? Because I know most of you don't using the lunchbox, but I think you need to use it. You need to find something interesting. You need to create it. Create some results. Where's my... And here's my tower, as you can see, in Dynamo. Yeah. So, any questions right now? Did you find it useful? I hope so. As you can see here, we have 3 panels. It's really interesting. Because I think it's 3 panels, it's that part. Let me, I will try to check it. Watch. 3 points. Run it. Yeah, 3 panel. So, yeah, we can place here another family. Yes, let me, I will do it. It's really fast. Let me, I will create it. Actually, we can create by this way also. Yeah, why not? Yes, why not? We will use this one. Reference line, snapping from this point to this. We need only 3 adaptive points. Okay, here 1 more point. Select it. reference, radius, set the point, and place the point. And this one will be 10. Okay, 50. At least 50. And we also need the parameter, radius, that one, this one, and create the shape. Okay, yeah, awesome. And now we just need to resave it because we need to change the name. I said save it. Save it, family, maybe 3, why not? Save it number 3, just load inside to the project again. Go back now to the Dynamo. Sorry, this is my Steam. Go to Dynamo, just copy it. As you can see, here is the run, it's opened. Panel points to the points. And here we need to use the another family. Just run it. Done. Let's go back to the... And as you can see, here is our new family. I will select everything inside the project. And I will change the radius to the 50. Maybe not. Maybe I will just make the parameter for that one. This one. Same parameter. And as you can see, we get the result too. So, I think, guys, you will find it's useful. You will use it in your own project. And here is, as you can see, it's three panels. Actually, this is really bad because I wanna make the here the quad, but you can always delete it and you can manually place here the quad panel. That's it. So I hope you find it interesting, guys. If you are, just don't forget about the likes, okay? Because all these tutorials, what I'm doing for you guys, I'm doing only because you like it. If you not will like it, I will cry. Okay, I'm kidding. I need watch. And as you can see inside the panels, we get the panels too. Here's the surface. And that's why I'm using the points, because here just the surfaces. But if you have the surface, you also can go more deeper. You can use even the quad panels. Yeah, not kidding. You can use the quad panels for your surfaces, for example. For this one, quad panels. And here is, as you can see, we get the panels. But these panels, it's actually surface. Connect to the surface. I need this code block. I will reduce the number. Maybe 5 by 5. 5 by 5. And you will get more points inside now on these panels. Just see it. Maybe it's collapsed. I just ready to that actually, because now we're dividing these panels, dividing these small panels. Maybe it will be work, maybe not, we'll see. Anyway, so this tutorial I think finished for today. Tomorrow and after tomorrow and all the week I will post all my tutorials about the La Casa Pura, so I didn't forget about that. Just I was my own work. 8 p.m. right now. So in my country now 8 p.m. The last week it was really hard for me because we submitted our model to our client and we submitted this model to the government. So this was the problem, because I was into the project and I cannot be thinking only about my channel. I know I should post something exactly, I mean something in the week, but I was really on my project and it's impossible to make it something. So I think it's collapsed. I mean the Revit is collapsed. Anyway, I will leave it as it is. For the tutorial I'm finished. So Nico, I'm having a problem Revit when linking the CAD file. It's actually below the level I'm linking to. Can you actually, check please your... Oh, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. Where is my... And as you can see, here's the small points. you cannot see it properly. I will hide this one, and I will hide this one. And as you can see, we get, yeah, this is really collapsed. I think this is a lot of the points. Okay, it's working like that, as you can see. So about your AutoCAD file, check your AutoCAD file, because sometimes the problem is inside in AutoCAD. So and what I mean, in AutoCAD you also can place like levels. Check it, is it on the 0 level or no? First check it. The second, when you're loading inside to the project, the better thing, you should use only the link. Only link, not, I will show you what I mean. Where's the My Revit? Here is the My Revit. When you will insert something, don't use import cut. Use always the link Revit. Once you will link your file, can I link somewhere? Insert? No, I cannot really link Revit here. Yeah, I need really patient, and after that you will get the result. Yeah, and as you can see, the panels, it's exactly, we get some few points on our panel. It can be done like that. So let me, I will check the watch. Actually, let me, I will reduce it 2 by 2. And I will unconnect this one thing. Yeah, if you are using the link, check again your level. Your AutoCAD file is fine, right? I will try to make by 2 by 2. Is it will be working or not? Let me, I'll check. Oh yeah, it's working. And as you can see, now we get some more quad points. Yes, you're really awesome. So as you can see, you can combine it. And it's not bad, and not bad. Strange thing actually, but you can combine it. Maybe you need something for some reason, I don't know. Try it. Okay guys, I'm finishing for today. VT, you can send me your AutoCAD file to my email, and if I will find the time, I will check it out. Okay, so I will do like that. Guys, if you always have some questions, you have my Telegram channel, you have my email. Just send on the one of that, and I will try to help you. Okay, deal. So for today, guys, finish. Next time we will continue again working with Dynamo. I will show you some different add-ins. We will try to make something more interesting things, and we will continue like that. I mean, by streaming to teaching our Dynamo. Yes, I know I need to create the Ahmed about the MEP system in Revit. I will try to make one tutorial about that. I mean Dynamo and Revit. I will try to make it. Okay, deal. So thank you guys, thanks you a lot, and see you next time. Don't forget about the likes, please. I need it. Let's say this is my goal to achieve the result. Can you link? Okay, guys, if you don't know my email, here is my email. .com. Oh, this is wrong, sorry, not this one. This one. Yes, it's under the description too. If you cannot see it, just check there. Okay guys, thank you. So see you next time, the next week and the Saturday, okay, and the same time. Thank you guys, bye bye.